Welcome to an exciting learning adventure where kids can explore the amazing world of wild and farm animals. In this educational video, children will see real-life footage of animals from both the wild and the farm, helping them learn to recognize their names and homes. Horses have been one of the most important helpers on farms for hundreds of years. Before modern machines, farmers used horses to pull plows, wagons, and heavy carts. They are strong, fast, and can work for many hours without getting tired quickly. Horses also help by carrying people across large farm areas. They eat grass, hay, and sometimes oats to keep their energy high. Hippos are large water-loving animals that spend most of their time in rivers and lakes to stay cool under the hot sun. Even though they look slow, hippos can run surprisingly fast on land, up to 30 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour. They are herbivores, which means they eat mostly grass and plants, especially at night when it's cooler. Hippos have big mouths and long tusks, which they use to show strength or protect themselves. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. This helps them find food and water in dry regions. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. A single cow can give up to 25-30 liters of milk a day. Cows are gentle animals with big bodies, soft eyes, and a calm nature. They love relaxing and grazing in the fields. Cows are intelligent and social animals. They have best friends in the herd and get sad when separated. Cows moo to talk to each other. They have different sounds for calling their calves, showing hunger, or saying hello. Sheep are famous for their thick, fluffy wool, which is used to make clothes, blankets, and yarn. They get a haircut called shearing once a year. Sheep make a sound called baa to talk to each other. Lambs can even recognize their mother's voice by her special baa. Sheep eat grass, leaves, and plants. They graze in fields all day, munching on their favorite greens. People often say, "Count sheep to fall asleep," because watching them gently move or imagining them jumping can be calming. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Some tigers can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same pattern. Their stripes are like fingerprints. Tigers are quiet and patient. They sneak up on their prey and pounce at the perfect moment. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. They roar to warn others or to find a mate. Tigers mostly hunt at night. Their sharp eyesight helps them see clearly in the dark. Armadillos are unique mammals, known for their hard, armor-like shells that protect them from predators. Their name means "little armored one" in Spanish, which perfectly describes their tough, bony plates. Armadillos live mostly in North and South America, where they dig burrows in the ground to sleep and stay safe. They are excellent diggers, using their strong claws to find insects, worms, and grubs to eat. Some species, like the three-banded armadillo, can even roll into a tight ball when they feel threatened. Reindeer is one of the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. Reindeer is well adapted to cold weather, with thick fur and a special nose that warms cold air. Reindeer is a strong migrant, traveling up to 5,000 kilometers a year, one of the longest migrations of any land animal. Reindeer is walking on wide, sharp-edged hooves that act like snowshoes and help dig for food. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Rhinos are large, thick-skinned herbivores, known for their horns and prehistoric appearance. Rhinos live in 5 countries in Africa and parts of India, Nepal, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rhino horns are not bone. They're made of the same protein as human fingernails and hair. Rhinos can recognize each other by smell and sound, and mothers form strong bonds with their calves. A camel's hump doesn't store water, it stores fat. This fat gives them energy when food is hard to find. Camels are built for the desert. They can survive in hot, dry places and go days without water. Their wide, padded feet help them walk on hot sand without sinking or burning their toes. Camels chew cud and have 3 stomach compartments to digest tough desert plants. Because of how smoothly they move through sandy lands. Antelopes are fast and graceful animals that can run up to 100 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour, helping them escape from predators. They live mostly in Africa and Asia, where they roam open grasslands and plains. There are over 90 different species of antelopes, such as gazelles, impalas, and kudus. One of their most special features is their curved or twisted horns, which both males and females can have in some species. Thanks for watching, kids. We hope you had fun learning about wild and farm animals today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun educational videos every day. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next animal adventure. Bye-bye.